The enthalpy changes for the following process are listed below. We're given Cl2 giving twice of Cl. So all the enthalpy changes for these four processes are given, right? And let us see what they are basically asking. Given that the standard rate states for iodine and chlorine are I2 solid and Cl gaseous, the standard enthalpy of formation for ICl is. So basically what it is saying, we need the enthalpy change for I2 solid, right, plus Cl2 gaseous. This is giving ICl because this is basically the enthalpy of formation. This is the formation reaction, right? So this is basically twice of ICl. This is what we are getting. So if I talk about the standard enthalpy of formation, so formation we have to get 1 mole only. So that means we are talking about this basic reaction plus half of Cl2 gases is giving me ICl gases, right? So we have to calculate the enthalpy for this, right? Now we are giving these four equations. So let us see what are the four equations are. So I2 solid is giving I2 gas. For this, delta H is 62.76 kilojoule per mole, right? And I2 gases is giving twice of I gases. For this, we know that 151 kilojoule per mole, right? So what I'll do is I'll add these two equations. What I'll get, I2 gases will cancel out. So that means I2 solid giving twice of I gases, right? So what I'll get over here, 0.76 kilojoule mole inverse, and over here I'll get 213.76. Now I need this kind of equation, so I need Cl2 also. So from this equation I know that Cl2 gases is giving twice of Cl gases. So the enthalpy is 242.3 kilojoule mole inverse. So I'll add this equation also, right? So I'll get I2 solid plus Cl2 gas, which will give me twice of I gas plus twice of Cl gas, right? The total enthalpy will be what? 213.76 plus 242.3, which will be 0.06 and 456.06 kilojoule mole inverse, right? Now one more equation I have, which is ICl giving Ig plus Cl2, right? So but I require half of I2 plus half of Cl2. This is the basic equation that I require, right? So that means what I'll do is I'll divide the equation by 2, so enthalpy will also be divided. So that means if I write over here half over here, and this I can eliminate, this also I can eliminate, so I'll get half value. So this will be approximately what? 228.03 kilojoule per mole, right? So what I need to eliminate these two also, because I need ICl over here. So what I'll do is I'll subtract this equation from this. So I'll subtract, and what equation I'll get I2, half I2 solid plus half Cl2 gases. Since I'm subtracting, so these two will cancel out, so I'll get ICl gases, and this will be what? 228.03 minus 211.3, which will be approximately what? This will be 16.73 kilojoule per mole, right? So this is positive, so that means this is approximately equal to 16.8, which means option A is correct. So this was another very easy questions. Only these kind of questions are being asked generally in the paper. If you see the papers from energetics, chemical energetics and chemical, thermochemistry, basically these kind of basic questions are being asked, right?